Alright, it's a Chevy truck. They ran the front brakes until it ground a nice portion out of the rotor. Get my light around there. Yeah. So you can see all the molten rust all over everything. So you take brakes apart all the time. You got bolts that hold them onto the pins. Oh, see it spinning right there? Okay, so that's off. Pop the rotor off. Don't dangle it by the hose. So, yeah. It's a little thin. Got a screwdriver. Ain't gotta worry about hurting nothing. Ooh, that's pretty. Not worry about the hardware here because decent pads come with that. Always make sure these move freely. Clean them up, lube them, put them back together. Make sure the little booty's in good shape. So we got the fancy Napper rotors. Oh, look at that packaging. I bet those rotors are blue too. And the SS brake pads. Pretty good value. Decent pads for not a crazy amount of money. So what I like about these rotors is I don't have to clean them up. Take them out of the package, put them right on the vehicle. And so far haven't had any trouble out of them or complaints or anything like that.